Welcome back, Crammers, to question 21. The points A and B are on a coordinate grid. The coordinates A are 6, 4, and the coordinates B are 17J, where J is a constant. The midpoint of AB has coordinates K, 15, where K is a constant. Find the value of J and the value of K. So we know that the midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we can see here, firstly, to find J, it is in the y coordinate. So we know that 4 plus J divided by 2 has to equal 15. So we can multiply both sides by 2. And then we have 4 plus J is equal to 30. We can bring 4 to the other side. And we have J is equal to 30 minus 4, or it is equal to 26. So it is equal to 26. Again, we can do the same thing for the x coordinate. So we have 16 plus 17 divided by 2 is equal to K. We can just calculate this and find out that 6 plus 17 is 23 divided by 2 is equal to K. And 23 divided by 2 is 11.5. So K is equal to 11.5. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.